Hello, I am Vikran. In each of the following question, a word represented by one set of numbers. The set of numbers given in the alternatives are represented by two classes of alphabets as in two given matrices. The columns and rows of matrix 1 are numbered from 0 to 4 and that of matrix 2 are numbered from 5 to 9. A letter of these matrices is represented first by its row and next by its column number. Now, draw is coded as. If we come down to the matrix, we'll be able to observe that D, we are talking about the alphabet D, then R, then A, then W. Now, the coding is done first by the row and then by the column. So, if you look at the coding for D, it is, in this case, it is 0, 0. So, the coding for D will be first 0, 0, then we have 1, 4, then we have coding as 2, 3, then we have coding as 3, 2, then we have coding as 4, 1. Similarly, we are having the coding for R from the second matrix, which turns down to be 5, 7, 6, 6, 7, 5, 8, 9 and 9, 8. For A, we have to again come down to the first matrix, that is 0, 3. Look at the first row and then at the column. So from the second matrix we'll be having the value for the W, and from the first matrix we'll be having the value for A, and A can be coded as 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0 and 4, 4. From the second matrix we can get the value of W, that is 5, 5, 6, 9, 7, 8, 8, 7 and 9, 6. If you look at the options, there is only one option that is satisfying all the values, that is option number 4, that is satisfying the value as 14. Then we have 89, then we have 12 and then we have 78. So these are the only values that is satisfied by the one option. So the answer is therefore 4th. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikran. In each of the following questions, a word represented by one set of numbers. The set of numbers given in the alternatives are represented by two classes of alphabets as in two given matrices. The columns and rows of matrix 1 are numbered from 0 to 4 and that of matrix 2 from 5 to 9. A letter of these matrices is represented by its row and next by the column number. The question is, rain is coded as. The solution is, if you look at the matrix which is given to us, R, A, I and then N. R is present in the matrix 2 and it is coded first by the row and then by the column, that is 5, 7. Similarly 6, 6, then 7, 5, 8, 9, then 9, 8. Then A is again coded from the first matrix as 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 0, 4, 4. I is again coded as 0, 4, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4, 0. N is again coded as 5, 6, 6, 5, 7, 9, 8, 8 and 9, 7. But if you look at the options, there is only one option that is satisfying all the values. That's come down to be option number 1, that is having the value of R as 57, A as 12, I as 31 and N as 56. Therefore, answer is 1. Thank you.
Hello, I am Chirag. In each of following questions, a word represented by one set of numbers. The sets of number given in alternatives are represented by two classes of alphabet S in two given matrices. The columns and rows of matrix 1 are numbered from 0 to 4 and that of matrix 2 from 5 to 9. A letter of these matrices is represented first by its row and next by column number. The question is LAMB. Solution. Now we have to find the code for LAMB. Now, from matrix 2, L can be coded as 59, 68, 77, 86 or 95. Similarly, from matrix 1, A can be coded as 03, 12, 21, 30 or 44. From matrix 2, M can be coded as 58, 67, 76, 85 or 99, and from matrix 1, B can be coded as 02, 11, 20, 34 or 43. Now check the options. If we see the option number 1, which is 68, 21, 58, 34, then we find that L is right for 68, A is right for 21, M is right for 58 and B is right for 34. Therefore, option number 1 is true. Hence, the answer of this question is option number 1. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Vikrant. The question is, if water is called food, food is called tree, tree is called sky, sky is called ball, on which of the following grows a fruit? If you look at the question, the fruit usually goes on tree, and tree in this case is called as sky. So the solution comes down to be that logically we can say that fruit grows on tree, and tree in this case is called sky. So the answer is third. Thank you. Hello, I am Vikrant. The question is, if water is called blue, blue is called red, red is called white, white is called sky, sky is called rain, rain is called green, and green is called air, which of the following is the color of the milk? Solution is, if you look at the question, we can logically say that the color of the milk is usually white, and white in this case is called sky. So we can say that the color of the milk is white, but as per the question, white is called as sky. So the answer is fourth. Thank you.